Hello and welcome, Satyadev. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm doing all good.
First of all, congratulations for being nominated as the Alumni of the Month. How does it feel after quite a gap? Now you are again connecting with your alma mater, with your college. You walked in the corridors, this library. You must have been sitting here studying. So, what all goes through your mind when you again visited this campus?
Sir, it's a feeling of homecoming. I still remember my first day when I came here for my admission. The question which was being asked me, why do you want to become an advocate?
Okay.
So now, after 5 years, I have become advocate, and I still remember this library where I used to sit and prepare for the exams. So it's a very emotional feeling for me.
Great, great. Yes, it is indeed for you. It is an emotional moment. For us, it's a matter of privilege
Yes.
that our students, who once our students, we were taking pride in calling you as our student. Now we take pride in calling you as our alumni. You're doing wonderfully well, and that makes us as a college, as an institute, very proud. At present, I guess you are working with the Alliance Law Group.
Alliance Law Group.
So we would like to know what actually are you doing there, what your job role is, what your KRAs are.
Sir, at Alliance Law Group, I am an associate over there.
Great.
So my job is to handle clients, and I also appear in the courts. I do argument. So basically, I am doing litigation over there. When I started my journey after the college, I was at Pawan Duggal Associates. I got that job from my college only.
Great.
So I would like to thank the college for that opportunity at Pawan Duggal Associates. There I learned the basics. After that, I changed because my main focus was litigation. And at Pawan Duggal, we used to have more legal research. But for short period of time, it was good. But after that, when I realized that I have to go for litigation only, so I chose Alliance. And at Alliance, I am doing good.
Great, great. Feels very nice that you have very nicely climbed to one ladder, then another ladder of learning and growth. It's very interesting to know. And now, as a lawyer, someone who is into a field like law, we all get very amused and intrigued when we come to know that how lawyers deal with different kind of cases and clients, because you have to at times work under very humongous pressure.
Yes.
Clients are very different. They are diverse in terms of their temperament, in terms of their interests, in terms of their I would say the amount of time they give you to actually handle things. So is there any case, any moment which you remember that wherein you worked as I would say under very extreme pressure and you delivered and you are really proud now, you when you reflect back and you see that there was a very challenging situation and I made it?
I remember one case where I had to brief my senior advocate. So the matter was listed in Supreme Court. So I had to go through all the files from trial court, then
Okay.
High Court. So I prepared all the briefs just a day before the matter was listed in Supreme Court. After my briefing, when we appeared in the court, the order was in our favor. So that was very good for me, and I really enjoyed that.
Great, great. So you were supposed to read a lot of documents within span of 24 hours.
Yes, sir. Whole files,
Oh, whole
trial
file.
files.
Okay.
After that, the High Court file, and we were filing SLP in
Oh,
Supreme
okay.
Court.
So what was going at that point of time? What was going through your mind? Would you be able to make it? It's a kind of litmus test for your potential, your capability, something like that.
Definitely, sir. When I was preparing for the brief, I was very much worried that what ma'am will ask, what
Okay.
questions the judge can ask. So when you prepare brief, so you prepare the brief according to the question of judge, like what judges can ask. So accordingly, you have to prepare the briefs.
How do you keep yourself updated with what actually is now happening?
Sir, my when I wake up in the morning, I usually read newspapers
Okay.
every day. So I try to keep all the news from the newspaper. I read articles. From there, I get to know about the changes which are being made in our country. So newspaper is one thing which I like to read.
Okay, great. Beyond that, any other website?
Yes,
app?
sir. I remember Live Law because I mainly use Live Law
Okay.
for law updates. It's good.
Fine, fine, fine. Okay, now I would say stemming from the same, like the change which happened in the landscape of law, we believe that this legal tech, now technology is something which is penetrating almost every sphere, whether or not we like it or we do like it, but this is something which is a reality which we cannot deny.
Yes.
So technology is impacting almost every domain. Same is happening with the law. So as a lawyer, do you think that this is coming up or posing some challenge, or is it something which you can make use of for your benefit only?
Sir, we can use these tools for our benefit only.
Okay.
Because I will tell you, there are some apps which you can use for your update. Like if you are appearing in a matter, so just you have to type your case number, and that's all. You will get all the updates,
Okay.
like when the next hearing, and what how it is listed for. So you will get all the updates. So it's beneficial for our advocates.
So is there any challenge from AI point of view? If we see like there are contract analysis AI is there, there is e-discovery platforms are there. So are they posing any challenge?
No, sir. I
Okay.
don't think so, because an advocate and a human mind cannot be
Yes,
Exactly. Defeated by an AI.
absolutely. Especially in a field like law,
Yes.
you have to actually deal with humans only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Why do you believe that internships, if you have to tell your juniors that these are the reasons why internships are a must and you have to take them seriously, what would be those reasons and what is your experience of that internship?
Sir, what I think is internship is one of the most important thing
Okay.
in our profession, because I still remember when I was in first year. After that, I got internship from this college at Gunj. It was an NGO. So my friends told me that why you are going for an NGO, what you will learn.
Okay.
But I will tell you, when I worked there for I think 1.5 month, I literally explored the real truth of our harsh reality of our India. So I got to know about the rural people, that how they are living, how much they know about the laws and everything. After that, I get many internships from this college, which literally helped me to know about the law procedures. Because when I got the job, when I was going for an interview, so they asked me, okay, you have done internship with him, so tell me what you have learned. So that helped me a
Okay.
lot.
So one quote that you really admire.
And quote,
One quote, yes.
one quote, Satyameva Jayate.
Satyameva Jayate. Fine. I think that suits legal profession the most. Last one, legal term you secretly enjoy saying.
Grateful, my lord.
Well, thank you.
Thank
So once again, Satyadev, it was really nice and pleasure talking to you. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
May you achieve lots of success.